Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to create a travel itinerary and packing list with Airtable. Let's get started. Our first step is to create a new base in Airtable. Click on Add a Base, and then Start from Scratch. This is the foundation for our itinerary and packing list. It's important because Airtable bases function like individual databases, keeping our travel info organized and accessible. Now that we've done that, let's create two tables, one for our itinerary and another for our packing list. Click on the plus next to tables and name them accordingly. The reason we do this is to separate and clearly define our travel plans and packing essentials, making it easier to manage. Next up, let's populate our itinerary table. Add columns for date, location, activities, and notes. This helps us because by breaking down our plans into these categories, we can easily visualize and adjust our travel schedule. Moving on to the packing list table, we want to create columns for item, quantity, and category. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By categorizing our packing items, we streamline the packing process and ensure nothing essential is left behind. Now it's time to fill in the details. Input your travel plans into the itinerary table and your packing items into the packing list table. Remember, you can always add or remove entries as needed. The beauty of Airtable is its flexibility and adaptability to changes. Finally, let's create a linked record between our itinerary and packing list. This means if you have location-specific items to pack, they'll show up when you look at that day in your itinerary. This is a key feature of Airtable that adds a new level of functionality to our planning. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've created a comprehensive, adaptable travel itinerary and packing list using Airtable. This guide should help you stay organized and stress-free for your 2025 travels. Remember, the more you practice using Airtable for your planning, the more efficient you'll become. Happy travels!